business owners, brands, and entrepreneurs. Finally, discover how to turn your website into a traffic machine. Discover 5 secret strategies to increase website traffic. From the Ultimate Traffix. Are you a small business that has been struggling to increase the traffic to your website? Did you spend your valuable time building a website only to have it go unseen? Grab your copy now. Launch date: 14th February 2022. If your website isn't bringing in the visitors as it should, then you may need to think about your content marketing strategy. What are your excuses for not getting more traffic to your website? There are many reasons why you may be struggling to gain the traffic you had hoped for when designing and building your website. Here are some of the most common reasons why you might be struggling with your website traffic. It's poorly designed. It's not properly SEO optimized. You don't have an active blog. Your content isn't high quality and doesn't add value. You're not using social media to your advantage. You're not spending enough time promoting your content. You're not asking for links. You're not building an email list. Everyone has struggled with increasing traffic to their site at one point in time or another. Those who have become successful have discovered the secrets to turning their site into a traffic machine. They've learned how to optimize their site to rank higher on search engines. They've successfully utilized social media to drive traffic to their site. They've developed a successful email marketing campaign, and they've learned the benefits of link building and guest blogging. The great news for you is that you can quickly and easily learn the same secrets that thousands of businesses have already discovered and implemented to substantially increase traffic to their websites. If you're ready to learn the secrets to turning your website into a traffic machine, you'll want to keep reading. I've developed a detailed guide outlining 5 secret strategies that will help you increase website traffic. Let me introduce you to your Ultimate Traffix. 5 secret strategies to increase website traffic. Here's exactly what you'll get inside the course book guide. Here's what you'll discover in this guide. The importance of developing high-quality content that is SEO optimized and how to use analytics to continually improve your strategy. How to create a powerful social media marketing campaign and discover the best social media platforms for your particular target audience. The importance of link building and how to approach it. Why guest blogging can be the best way to increase traffic to your site and how to go about finding the right blogs to approach. How to grow your email list and implement an email marketing campaign that will get you results. Here's exactly what you'll get inside the course book guide. Here's what you'll discover in this guide. Prove your strategy. How to create a powerful social media marketing campaign and discover the best social media platforms for your particular target audience. The importance of link building and how to approach it. Why guest blogging can be the best way to increase traffic to your site and how to go about finding the right blogs to approach. How to grow your email list and implement an email marketing campaign that will get you results. And much, much more. Special bonus for taking action. 10 hot niches email done for you swipes. You just copy and paste over 100 hot sales converting email swipes. Does that sound good or what? You'll also gain even more benefits by following this guide. Here are just some more of the benefits that you can gain. The different tools you can utilize to analyze your site's analytics. How to identify the different kinds and styles of content that will work best for your audience. The importance of conducting keyword research and how to use keywords to boost your search engine rankings. Which social media platforms will benefit you the most? The secrets of link building to drive even more traffic to your site. Statistics to look at when choosing a site for guest blogging. How to create opt-in email marketing campaigns to build your email list and increase traffic to your site. How much is this going to cost you? You can own Ultimate Traffix.